This week starts with the installation of attic insulation over the garage. This is the only room upstairs that I didn't have insulated originally, and it worked out perfectly. Since I ended up remodeling the whole garage, I didn't waste any new insulation when I took out the existing ceiling, and there wasn't any old insulation to begin with. But now that it's winter and all the mechanicals have been installed and sealed up, it's time to get this roof insulated and secured. Instead of renting a machine at Home Depot and blowing this insulation in the attic myself, which I've done before, I hired a company who did a first-rate job and knocked this out for about $1,500 in a couple of hours. They even installed a nice thick piece of batting over the access hatch. I don't have the mini split installed yet, but the room should start staying nice and warm if I turn on a space heater. On Friday, Dya and I are decorating our Christmas trees, in the plural, because we're extra and thought it would be fun to have a decorating contest. The final decorations won't be up until next week, but this should give you guys a sneak peek of each person's tree. In a perfect world, this would be a blind contest, but because I'm too lazy to edit the photos that way, here's some shots of us festooning our coniferous installations. I close out the week with the least fun part of drywalling, sanding. It's a dusty, messy job, but for the best results, you have to do the work. Also, I won't be texturing the garage because any airborne sawdust would settle on the little textured edges. So, what that means is I have to do an extra good job of sanding these walls because there won't be any knockdown texture to hide the imperfections. I'm at the point in this project where I can think about installing the door, so in preparation, I remove this old piece of flooring that leads to the door and install a new piece that covers the side gaps. That's a wrap for week 215. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy tree decorating.